Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create an account on Cloud AI and how we can create it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here to the Google, and over here in the search, we need to type here for Cloud AI like this, and you have to just press enter. Now that is going to take you to this, and from here you have to click on the first site that pop up here. You have to click on this. Once you get into this site, that will take you to this. And right now from here you have to click on continue with Google. So you have to click on this. Now it will ask you to sign in. So give your Google account over here. So that will be signed in. Once you signed in, we need to make sure of a few things first. If I get into this, go over here, give the access. So that will take you to this. Now it will be popping up to a new kind of a thing. And make sure if you're using this for the first time, make sure we have to do a few things first. The first one, we have to give all kind of an access over here. Make sure that you have to put a check on this box and go over here and you have to check on this one and go for the create account. It is make sure that it should be at least 18 years old. And also we have three options. One is free, and we have a pro version which is around 17 USD per month, and we have a maximum where it is around 100 USD per month. So I'll use Claude for free, and I have to select this. And right now it is asking me what is the reason, and also it's asking me for download for Windows. I'm going to skip this. So if you want to download an app for the Windows, you can click on this, or you can skip this part as well. Now from here, go to the continue, and that is going to take you to this where you have to give your name. So I'll type my name here over here like this, and you have to go over here. Now it is going to ask you some question where you have to click on I have my own topic to avoid unnecessary things. Click on this. Now that is going to take you to this over here. And right now we can see this is my Cloud account, and even if you go over here, click on the profile, we have various options where you can switch back between the accounts and you can log out. This is how we can create it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.